Hello friend, I am so happy today to introduce you to my kitchen favorite Amazon. This is my favorite, this is the juicer and I really like it. This is the Breville juicer. It comes with 4 cups. The Breville juice fountain. This is a bassinet silicone comb for the kitchen. You can use for the kitchen accessory. And this is my powerful Breville juicer. This is a very good bassinet. It's also easy to clean. You can use for vegetables. You can use for kitchen accessory. That's what I'm doing right now. And I got this on Amazon. What I like about this bassinet is it's silicone and it's easy to clean. You can see that the juicer is also very easy to clean. I recommend you to clean it right away. Do not forget to subscribe, my friend, to see more videos from me. This is the Ninja. This is one of my favorite. This is a very good blender. It's very powerful. It comes with 4 cups with a lid. And easy to take it on the way. It's also easy to refrigerate it. So now this is my one of my favorite juice. I have some avocados, apples, ginger, lemon, and I add some coconut water. Excellent for the immune system. It's a very good detox. This is very good. This is Chaga Chai. This is another very good caffeine free. Has mushrooms. Mastermind. It helps with focus. And this is my favorite Amazon kitchen accessory. I hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed creating for you with this Chaga Chai tea. You can use it with any of your favorite. You can use it with milk. You can put coconut milk or even water. I recommend it to not boil the shagai, just to let it warm a little bit. Thank you. And this is Chantal Ponce, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and we see you next time. Au revoir, merci.